Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night whenever you're seeing this video. Today, I want to show you the progress on our project truck over here at Tallahassee Ford. We got this awesome F-150. It's 2026, and we've done some stuff to it. But y'all got to keep watching. That's what I want to say. Keep watching because I'm going to go over some of the cool things that we added to this F-150. It's available right now at Tallahassee Ford, 243 North Magnolia Drive to be exact. Like I said, I can't wait. I just can't wait to show you this thing. This thing is awesome. And we got a couple add-ons that we've done to it here, dealer installed add-ons, warranty intact, and you don't want to miss this. Once again, 243 North Magnolia Drive, Tallahassee Ford. Come see it in person. And we'll go from there. Y'all hang tight. Don't go anywhere. All right. Let's get into this awesome review. Once again, we got this 2026 F-150 that we put in the work over here at Tallahassee Ford to make it customized, to make it unique. And in this video, I want to share some of the uniqueness of this vehicle. First things first, we already know that these F-150s are awesome from the factory. The 10-speed, the 5.0, all that good stuff. They sound good. They perform well. But Mr. McKinney, the man with the plan over here at Tallahassee Ford, the man with the blueprint, the man with the vision, said, hey, we need to make this thing even better than what it was before from birth. So let's go check this thing out. First things first, I love this blue clear coat on this particular model. It's amazing. Let me get up closer. Y'all can see the pearl. Yes, this is dark blue with the flakes. Got a little bit of pollen on it, but that's not a problem. Our detail department will get it right for you. Shout out Isaac Williams. Shout out Touche. Shout out Byron. Shout out Polo. Shout out my main man Travis. We're going to get it right for you. Just come by and check it out. Anyway, first things first, I want to share with you guys as far as the customization on this vehicle. We did a 3 inches in the front, 5 inches in the back. So it's level. And we went on and got these Vossen. We the Vossen wheel plug in Tallahassee. So we got these 26s on here, no scrubbing, perfect fit, wrapped in a 305 ZR 26-inch tire. Very nice, as y'all can see. Got a nice lip on them, nice two-tone wheel. And yeah, this is all right here installed at our dealership. Warranty intact. Got to throw the Tallahassee Ford logo on there for y'all. So it's lowered. Got the awesome tire set up, wheel set up. Looks good. Let's, hold on. Let's pop this hood. Let me show you what's underneath here. Let me show you the heartbeat. Oh, yeah. So, here's another part of this Mr. McKinney's vision. He loves these supercharged vehicles, and this one is no exception. So we got the Whipple Supercharger on here, the Ford Performance Whipple Supercharger. Got the pulleys on there. Yes. I will have the horsepower numbers down in the description. Shout out to our technician Joey, who does these lift kits and lowering kits and these engine supercharged kits. He's amazing. Shout out to Joey. But yeah, all installed right here at Tallahassee Ford. I'm gonna walk around the back real quick so y'all can see this lowering kit on here. As you know from the factory, the rear ends of these F-150s sit up a little higher. Not with this kit. Not with this kit, as y'all can see. Bam. What you think? Let us know down in the comments. Come and see it today. I got some more secrets I want to share with you real quick too. Check out this cab spoiler installed again by my main man Joey here at Tallahassee Ford. Looks really, really cool. Nice touch. Flat black paint scheme on there. Looks really, really good. Looks factory, right? What you know? Let us know what you think down in the comments about that. And got one more surprise. If you just hang in there a little bit longer, I want to show it to you. Y'all hang tight. Don't go anywhere. Don't click away. All right. One more secret. Check this out. So we went on and did a custom leather interior. Once again, installed right here at Tallahassee Ford. Look at this. Got the black leather with the contrast stitching, white contrast stitching at that. They feel good. They smell good. Very nice padding. Once again, y'all got to come experience this for yourself. I'm just giving you a preview. This is just a preview. Just a preview. Of course, from the factory, you got the power adjustments in the lumbar. But then we went a little bit further and added the leather interior. Give me 1 second. I'm going to let y'all check out the back seat. And we'll go from there. Customized Nation here at Tallahassee Ford. Customized Nation. This is what we do here at our dealership. All right, so here's the back seat real quick. Once again, beautiful materials. The leather seats are amazing. They feel good, smell good. And yeah, I don't think you'll be disappointed at all when you come by and check this one out. Let me get y'all the stock number on it so you can go online and view some pictures, updated pictures on it. Give me 1 second. Sometimes I wish I had more hands. So stock number is, see if y'all can see that, A06252. A06252. That's the stock number on this one. Check it out online and in person at Tallahassee Ford, 243 North Magnolia Drive. It's pretty cool. So, in conclusion, if you're looking for a customized F-150 that's unique and awesome looking, come check this one out today, 243 North Magnolia Drive. I'll have the Google Maps information. I'll have the website information where you can check out the photos of this thing down in the description. And follow us on all social media, Tallahassee Ford. We make it easy. Peace. Y'all gotta check this one out.